Hello, kindergarten readers. You just finished this very fun book called Sheep in a Jeep. In this book, there were lots of words that had very similar meanings. Today, I want to teach you that readers pay attention to the meanings of words. One way they do this is by rereading the sentence and then acting out what is happening in the sentence. This is important so that readers can understand the story. Let's try this together. Sheep leap to push the Jeep. Sheep shove. Look at these words, push and shove. They mean almost the same thing. Let's think about what push means. When the sheep are pushing, they may be pushing like this. Push. But when the sheep shove, I bet they're trying to push even harder. Shove! Because they're getting frustrated because the Jeep won't move. Let's look at this word, tug. Can you try it with me? Let's reread sheep tug. Now let's try to act out what they may be doing. Let's look at the picture. Oh, they're not pushing anymore and they're not shoving. Instead, now they're tugging to try and get it to move. Good job. At the end of the story, these two words, shout and cheer, mean almost the same thing. Let's reread this page and then think about what shouting might sound like. Jeep comes out, sheep shout. Let me think. I bet they're going, yeah! Yeah! We did it! We did it! That's probably how they're shouting. Now they're back in the Jeep and they're cheering. That means almost the same as shout. Instead of shouting, maybe they were saying words. With cheering, maybe they're going, woohoo! Cheer! Yeah, let's get going! Did you see how we had to act out those two words, shout and cheer? To kind of think about how are they the same and how are they different? When you're reading, you can also do this. You can think, what does this word mean? Then you can reread that page and act it out. Now it's your turn. Jeep in a heap, sheep weep. I want you to act out the word weep for your teacher. Record it in a video note. What does it look like for the sheep to be weeping? Good job, readers!